Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Folks, get ready to revolutionize your smartwatch game because we've got an amazing deal on the Apple Watch Series 10 at Amazon. The future of tech prices can be unpredictable with those ever-changing tariff policies, so why wait around and find out what'll happen next week? Lock in that solid price today with this incredible sale. The Apple Watch Series 10 is on sale for $329, down from its list price of $399, saving you a sweet $70 off the deal. That's an 18% discount, folks. This deal won't last forever, so don't miss out on snagging this fantastic smartwatch at a price that's hard to beat. One thing Apple took into consideration with the Series 10 design was addressing one of the most common complaints about their watches: battery life. According to Apple, this model can go up to 18 hours on a single charge, and it comes equipped with fast charging capabilities that get you from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's lightning-fast charging right there. However, WatchWire News senior editor Stan Schroeder put the Series 10 through its paces and found it took around 25 minutes to go from 20% to 80%. Although that might not be as quick as Apple claims, he did say that with this watch, you can essentially charge your watch as you brush your teeth or make coffee in the morning. It's all about convenience here. In terms of design, this is the thinnest Apple Watch while boasting an impressive large screen. The new OLED display really does improve visibility when glancing at the watch from the side, which is perfect for folks like Stan who spend most of their time doing that. There are also some additional noteworthy features with the Series 10, including a Translate app and sleep apnea detection. But what really sets this watch apart is its advanced health tracking capabilities, thanks to apps like Vitals. With just one tap, you can take an EKG at any time, get notifications about high, low, or irregular heart rates, all right in the palm of your hand. It's a total game changer for those who want to stay on top of their health and fitness. So if you're thinking about upgrading your smartwatch before summer, today's deal at Amazon is an incredible opportunity not to be missed. You'll get all these fantastic features and more at a price that's $70 cheaper than usual. Don't let the future of tech prices leave you in the dark. Snag this sale while it lasts.